Hello traders, welcome to the video. In this video I'll be showing you a very quick strategy that you can use to cash 5 to 10 candles easily in the boom 1000 and the crash 1000 market. So this strategy is very simple, but I want you to pay attention to everything I will say in this video. So I will make this video as quick as possible, and I will make sure that you understand everything I say, and I will give you 2 or 3 examples on the crash and the boom 1000 market each for easy understanding. This is the last zoom, so first thing you must know is the zoom level. So you zoom in 1, 2, so this is the best level to use this strategy. So as you can see on my chart, I am on the 1 minute chart and I am using crash 1000. So one thing you should know is in this strategy we are using 2 time frames. We are using the 15 minutes and we are using the 1 minute chart. So first thing we want to use is we want to use the 15 minutes for direction, and we want to use the 1 minute for the confirmation entry, and also to cash our 5 to 10 candles for this strategy. As you can see on my chart, I have 4 indicators. I have this blue, which is the moving average. I have the other blue, which is in my indicator windows, this blue, which is also a moving average. I have this green, which is ADX, and I have this level, which is the RSI level, 90, 80, 20, 10. So we all know that the ADS is used for knowing when the market is overbought or it is oversold. At this 90 to 80 level, we know it is overbought and it's likely to buy soon. And at this 20 to 10 level, it is oversold and it's likely to buy soon. First thing we want to do is we want to go to our higher time frame, which is the 15 minutes chart, and we want to know the direction in which we are trading this strategy. As we all know that the crash market spikes down, so we are trading the retracement, and for the bull market it spikes to the upside and we are selling, that is, we are cashing the retracement. So one thing you want to know is that since crash is spiking down, so we are waiting for when market is above this moving average. Don't worry, I'll give you settings at the end of me explaining this strategy. So you want the market to be like this level. So this condition, which the market is above the moving average, that is when we can buy in the crash market, and that is when we have high probability setups. And below the moving average, which is indicating that the market is selling, is when we are trying to avoid the market, because it is showing to us that the market will spike more than it retraces. But here it is retracing more than you see a spike. For the first thing you want to know is that the market is in an uptrend. So as you can see in the current market, this is a very good condition for us to buy the crash market. So we go to our 1 minute chart. So once we are on our 1 minute chart, we are waiting for this blue and this green to cross at the oversold region. So once it crosses, then we count 5 to 10 candles and exit the market. So if you look carefully over here, there is a cross around this point, which is caused by this spike down. So immediately you see this spike, there is a cross, then you enter a buy. Immediately this green candle closes and you count 10 candles. So the sweet thing about this strategy is that you are not counting 5 like most of the strategies that I drop. If you cash 5 candles, you are likely to get higher win rate, because most times this strategy always gives you that 5 candles. But for more risk to reward, you can just focus on 10 candles. So if you look over here, there is a cross here. So you enter at this point, then you count 10 candles. So this strategy is actually one of the easiest strategy that I have seen so far in trading this market, and it is very, very, very effective. So you can see over here, there's a spike now, there is a cross here. You let this first green candle to close and you count 10 candles. So this strategy also play out here. It plays out almost 99% of the time. So now let's go to the bull market and let me show you how it works on the bull market. So this is the boom 1000. So like I said, we are selling, but before we sell in the bull market, we first go to our 15 minutes chart. then we wait from when market is below the moving average. So this is a very perfect condition for us to sell the boom. So if you go back to the 1 minute chart, then we are looking for a position where there is a cross between the ADX and the moving average at the overbought level, so that we can sell it to the downside. So what you should know is that it is also the second zone, the one I have showed, the same settings for everything, just that you sell here, then you buy at the crash market. So if you see over here, there is a cross around the oversold level, which is caused by this spike. So immediately this one closes, you count your 10 candles and you are out. So as you can see, this is the current market that is occurring right now. So here there is a cross, but it is not inside the overbought level, so you are not selling that, although it plays out. Sometimes it plays out, but you are not selling that. So if you look over here, the cross is here, which is around the oversold level. So if you take your spike, this is caused by this spike in the day opening, spike to the upside. So you enter, you sell 10 candles and you are out. Easy like that, easy, very easy. If you look over here, there is a cross caused by this spike to the upside around the overbought level. So this one is more high probability because it is inside the overbought level, like I said. So you enter, a sell, count 10 candles and you are out. See, the market even generated more than 10 candles. If you look carefully, it continues. So you can take some profit out and you allow the rest to run to this side before you see a big spike, then you exit the market. And if you still wait, it still run down to this point. That is a lot of pips, guys. That is a lot of pips. So now let me show you settings to my indicator, the one I use for this strategy. So the first thing you do is you click on your indicator icon over here. So if you click on that, I have 3 indicators. I have the moving average, I have the average directional movement index, which is ADX, I have the relative strength index RSI, and I have another moving average. So to select on the first moving average, you click on this F icon of the main chart. So if you click on that, this is the moving average. Click on the moving average, you make your period to be 30, shift to be 0, method to be simple, apply to close, style to be 3 pixel, select color of your choice and click on save. To select this average directional index, you click on the F icon of the main chart. So if you click on that, this is average directional movement index. So if you click on that, you make your period to be 14, style to be color of your background. You can make everything to be 3 pixels, but the style must be the color of your background. If you are using black, you make the style to be black, and if you are using white, you make the background to be white. Like mine, I'm using white, the background is white. So the plus DI, you make it to also be white. The only thing we need is the negative DI. So you select any color of your choice, then after that you click on save. So to select the relative strength index, you click on the F icon of the indicators Windows 1. So you scroll down, this is your relative strength index. So if you click on that, you make your period to be 1, apply to close, style to be 3 pixels, select color of your background. The only thing we need are the levels. To select levels, click on this pen icon, type 90, 80, 50, 20 and 10 level. Then make the style to be 3 pixels and select color of your choice, but here I'm using black. We need it, so make it 3 pixels so that it will be very visible. Then after that, click on save. To select the third indicator, select on this F icon of the indicators window. Then this is the moving average. If you click on that, make the period to be 1, shift to be 0, method to be exponential, apply to close, style to be 3 pixels, select color of your choice, but here I am using blue, then click on save. So if you follow my settings correctly, your chart should look exactly as what you see over here. So after this, I don't want you guys to just jump on your chart, fund your account and start trading, because you have not built confidence for this strategy. So first thing you need to do is to make sure that you backtest this strategy. Go back on your chart and see how many times this strategy plays out. and then after that you forward test it, you try it with your demo account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I drop new video. I drop new video every Monday and Friday of the week. Thanks for watching.